Okay, right, here we go. Here's another song for y'all. So, sorry if anyone's offended by the accent, if that's an offensive accent, I'm not sure. It was bad, whatever it was. We're going to have a look at Shotgun by George Ezra. And once again, you're going to have to endure my singing for a bit, but I will put on a bit of a. I'm going to do my George Ezra impression. So, George, if you're watching this, really sorry. But you've got a very distinctive voice. It's a great voice, but it's very distinctive. So, we're going to try Shotgun. 4 chords in Shotgun. And these chords are F, which we have done a video on before, B flat, which is that slightly tricky one with the bar on the first finger, D minor, which hopefully you've got down pretty reasonably, and C. Entry level chord, one of the first ones we learnt. Hopefully that's now one of those ones you just instantly go to. It should be a pretty straightforward chord to get used to, the C. Okay, so we start with the F, and then the B flat, D minor, C. So here we go. This is that version of Shotgun that I promised you. Apologies, George, if you are watching this. This is a terrible version. It's kind of like a croony whatever. Here you go. This is it. The first verse, first chorus. Enjoy, maybe? I don't know. So it starts with our F. B flat. D minor. C. And homegrown alligator, see you later. Gonna hit the road. Gonna hit the road. The sun had changed in the atmosphere, architecture unfamiliar. I could get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. Whoa, I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. Oh, etc., etc. Really sorry. I mean, that's a weird way of singing it. Wasn't particularly good, but it's got the job done, didn't it? All right, so that is all that happens. And you repeat the verse, you repeat the chorus. I hope that's helped. As always, the chords are all on my channel. You'll be able to find all those chords somewhere. I'll put them up at the beginning, little pictures, and hopefully, I mean, right now, this is behind the scenes. There's a green bit of material behind me. I don't know what I'm going to put on this one yet. I reckon I'm going to pretend that I'm in a car driving down a road, maybe, or I might just put a picture of like a giant guinea pig or something. I don't know. Either way, give that one a go. Practice, practice, practice. That is the secret to success in most things, and especially with instruments, guitars and ukuleles. Well done, guys. Hope you're having a super cool time, and I'll see you in the next video. Toodaloo.